Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to Bulletin Digest, providers of doctrinally sound bulletin materials to the church for over 38 years. I'm excited to be able to lead you through a series of videos that will teach you all about how to use Bulletin Digest, the most powerful tool on the internet for producing your church bulletin. Bulletin editors can access our library of thousands of articles, poems, quotes, and fillers, searchable by topic, keyword, author, and word length. You'll never waste time looking for that perfect article again, and you will produce your bulletin faster and more efficiently than ever before. From our main page, you can access a sampling of some of these articles under the free church bulletin articles section. You can read more about us, or you can use the contact us link to send us a message if you have a question. But the real power of Bulletin Digest comes with a premium membership. Once you have a premium membership and are logged in, you will have at your fingertips a huge assortment of church bulletin resources that you will never have to worry about material again. For instance, each month we produce a brand new package of articles. Opening these up, you will see that they're categorized by word length. You can copy and paste and put those in your church bulletin and then mark it as used so you won't come back and repeat yourself. You'll also notice that you have access to quick fillers, which are short little articles to fill those short spaces. And you'll also see the graphics section has brand new original graphics every month for your use in your bulletin. We also produce brand new puzzles every week or every month, word scrambles, word searches, and crosswords also. With all of these tools, you'll have access to the materials that you need to build an exciting and engaging church bulletin for your congregation. Check out the next video to learn how to register for a membership at Bulletin Digest. See you next time.